Hey everybody, Chris here. Well, we're not seeing a Dogecoin bull rally market yet. And if you've been watching my channel, you know that we're still in this economic condition where things aren't great, not ready for this big bull rally. If you're watching other YouTube channels and they're saying Dogecoin to the moon, Dogecoin taking off, bull market is here. No, you gotta listen to Chris. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell. You can be notified when my videos come out and when I do live streams, usually Monday nights and Friday nights. And we'll be talking more about what's going on in the world of Dogecoin and the overall cryptos. I take your questions on other altcoins and we have a good time. At least we try. A lot more fun to have live streams when Doge is going up, the whole crypto market is taking off. But when it's not, we still gather together and have a chat. So what's going on right now? Well, Dogecoin had its fun and is retracing back around 7 cents. So back to that 7-cent line that I've been showing on my charts, and Doge is back there. So let's go ahead, let's take a look at the charts and some of the news. I'll show you what I'm looking at. So we start by looking right here at the Dogecoin chart on the 15-minute, and here's Dogecoin now dropping back below 7 cents. This yellow line is the 7-cent line, and I've had this for quite a while now. What we saw yesterday was Doge trading up to 7.5 cents, but couldn't keep it as the shorts came out, and Doge has gradually traded sideways last evening and then a little dump this morning. We see the same thing going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin could not hold 24,000, back down to 23.6. Ethereum was trading very well, still holding its own above 1,800, did not drop down to that 1,800 level. Ethereum is still strong with upcoming merge, all good news for ETH. And as some say, ETH has actually been holding the market up. I've been saying that, and we have others in the news saying the same thing as well. If we zoom out and we look at the 4-hour chart, we see the strong moves by Ethereum, Bitcoin having 2 strong moves and now retracing back from that last, and the same with Dogecoin as we were watching these moves. If I zoom out, these were now 5 strong runs by Dogecoin since the middle of June dip. These 5 strong runs have been good, but each time it's retraced down. That retracement, though, seems to be still having higher lows. So we'll see what happens as Doge trades forward from here, whether it comes back down and hits this blue support line coming up, which right now is around 6.5 cents. If it happens later today or on Saturday, that's what we would be looking for. So is Dogecoin capable of a 40% rally before the end of Q3? Interesting article. Dogecoin has been in a downtrend for more than a year now. We've known that on the big picture, though. And there was a particular support level keeping investors optimistic. That was the 10-cent mark. Could not hold 10 cents in May as the whole crypto market kind of crashed. And we saw by mid-June, Dogecoin had gone to a low of 4.9 cents. A gradual incline over the last 2 months, since the middle of June, has brought Doge to 7 cents. If Doge goes beyond this point, it will be set in an upward motion, provided broader market cues support a consistent rise. And that has happened a couple times. Again, we saw it yesterday up to 7.5 cents. Couldn't hold, came back down. So the bullish run has not yet been validated. So will we have a nearly 40% recovery? That's the question this article asks, which is plausible since the altcoin was successful in recovering 32% in 2 months since the June lows. Well, just because Dogecoin recovered up 32% since that 4.9 cent low, that doesn't mean that it's going to keep and go for another 40%. So I still think that we are in a bear market. It's still crypto winter. A bull run has not yet been validated. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin rally mutes. So this is on Benzinga Crypto. So Ethereum does have a target of $2,500. We'll take a look at that. Bitcoin to 30,000. Could that happen next month? I don't think so, but there are some analysts out there doing that. Hey, they're selling clicks, right? Woohoo, we're in a bull market. No, we're not, guys. Just not happening yet. So the rise in Bitcoin, Ethereum, stemmed by lower July inflation numbers, moderated at press time. And that moderation is key, I think, because, again, it invalidates the bull run. So cryptocurrencies appear to be following stocks and shedding gains from the recent rally. And we're going to see what the stock market does on Friday and how that trading may affect cryptos over the weekend. And we'll be talking about that Friday night on Chris Live. So join my live stream. We'll be seeing how the stock market did, how the cryptos reacted going into the weekend, and how we think cryptos are going to be trading over the weekend. Here's Michael Vanderpop. Ethereum is the actual asset that is carrying the markets. Some FOMO is starting to get some grip on the markets with the merge in ETH2 coming up. And that's true, and we see that on Ethereum. Ethereum is not retracing back down the same as Bitcoin and Dogecoin have. Through that, expect to see ETH continue towards 2,500 and BTC towards 30,000 region in the coming month. That's what Michael says. I disagree. I don't think we're ready for a bull run rally yet that's going to get Bitcoin to 30,000. Just don't see that happening. Dogecoin hodling now takes long-term perspective. Doge stays in the 6-cent range. So this You Today article is actually more correct. What it does show, though, is that we now have more long-term Dogecoin holders that have happened over time. So according to data from Into the Block, 65% of Dogecoin holders have held onto their coins. Please don't say tokens, You Today. They're coins. For more than a year. 30% have held within a year. 5% have held less than a month. So over 65% holders are now over 1 year holders. That's because we're not selling our Dogecoin here at 6 cents. We're not selling. So we're holding. So I know a lot of people are in the red, may have bought 30, 40, 50 cent Dogecoin, maybe even 60 cent Dogecoin. And that's tough when we're looking at 6 cent Doge now, or 7 cent Doge, and down a lot. But we think Dogecoin is going to go on a rally. It's going to take off. It's going to get back up to those levels. It's just going to take some time. So we're holding. So it makes sense to me. 65% Dogecoin holders have held onto their coins for over a year. Also, 56% of Dogecoin addresses are in profit. So that is showing that over half of the long-time holders bought in at a lower price than 7 cents. Like me, I bought at 2 cents. So I'm in profit. My Dogecoin addresses that I have in my few different wallets are all positive. So I'm in that 56%. I hope you are too. I know I've heard from some of you that have bought a little higher, are down right now on your Doge. Some are losing a little faith in Dogecoin, but I'm still very optimistic about it, and I see a Dogecoin bull run coming. But as I say, not yet. Dogecoin price to offer patient investors 2 opportunities. So this FX Street article, very interesting. Dogecoin price shows signs of weakness after sweeping the liquidity present above equal highs at 7.4 cents. So we saw that yesterday. A breakdown of the point of control to 6.6 cents will signal the start of a downtrend to 4.8. And so that's what I was pointing out on the chart earlier, is that if the Dogecoin price goes down and it goes down below that blue line that I have of support, and goes below 6.6, that could signal the start of a downtrend to 4.8 cents. That would be tough to see for Doge to drop that low. But Some of you think that because we were in this bull run, we weren't going to see these low prices again, but I still think we're going to see some, and there's going to be some dips going on. Dogecoin price is trying to establish a directional bias as it hovers aimlessly, that's right at 7 cents, after collecting buy stop liquidity above equal highs. Investors need to be aware of a potential downswing, especially considering the lack of momentum in the Bitcoin price. And that's true. Bitcoin not holding 24,000 back in the 23s. Dogecoin price shows no signs of bullish momentum. So all the bulls you see out there and you hear out there, it's like, hold on, not there yet. So the bullish momentum fell short, back down below or at 7 cents. And a daily candlestick close below 6.6 will confirm the start of a downtrend. In such a case, Dogecoin price will likely revisit between 4.8 and 5.7. That 5.7 I showed yesterday. If we go below 5.7, the next target will be 4.8. If Doge can hold above 5.7, not fall below, that would be a good sign. And then we could see a 16% upswing for Doge that could extend to 35%, and then we'll be retesting that 7.4 cent resistance level and may then move higher. But I think that is still a long way off. So with all of that, Dogecoin looks like it still could drop some more. Those that were waiting for bigger dips, like me, they still may be coming. So I still have cash on the side. I'm still waiting to buy in more. Don't know what you're doing. Please let me know in the comments below. You still buying Dogecoin like a dollar cost averaging, a little bit every time you get some money? Are you waiting, or are you done with Doge and you're gonna go buy something else? Let me know in the comments below. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.